this is where the Goal Zero gets stored, and it has a couple of tie downs on the side there, and this shelf on the top is removable, so this comes off, and then you're able to untie these lashing straps and then pull the whole unit out if you need to bring it inside to charge it for any reason. Just goes back here. And this is just attached with magnets. So this is the inlet for charging the Goal Zero. And come back here. This is where it enters into the van. Underneath here, we have a charger for the Goal Zero already plugged in. And what you do is you take the cord out, plug it into the front of the unit, and plug in an extension cord, and you'll be charging. This is where the fuse box is for all the electrical. This just lifts up here for access to the wiring and to change any fuses.